the three main types of artificial intelligence. So make sure you watch this video up to the end to get the three main types and also the current state of artificial intelligence we are currently at. But before we move on with the video, let's understand this thing. Imagine the wild animals we have, they become more numerous and weaponized than we the human beings. What's going to happen? They are going to eat all of us up. That's the same thing as the machines, the robots and other AI machines being developed. The more they become more intelligent and numerous than we the human beings, the probability of them ruling us becomes very high. So make sure you watch this video up to the end to learn something. Stay tuned. Now, first things first, let's understand what artificial intelligence is. So now the basic definition is, I can say this is the most simplest definition ever. So artificial intelligence is basically machines being able to perform tasks just like human beings. So yes, when you see machines are able to perform tasks, let's take as write poems or even self-driving cars, all these things are basically artificial intelligence. So that's the basic definition for what artificial intelligence. So now let's move on to the main topic of the video, which is the three main types of artificial intelligence and also the current state of artificial intelligence we are currently at. So the first type of artificial intelligence is the narrow artificial intelligence. So this is a type of artificial intelligence that is being programmed or designed to perform just a single task, and that's the only task it is being programmed to perform. I guess you understand. It can't perform any other tasks apart from that one. So for example, is the face recognition system, self-driving cars, and all the other artificial intelligence that exists currently. Yes, and these are current state of artificial intelligence we are at right now. Yes, so these are type of artificial intelligence whereby they can only perform just a single task that they are being programmed to perform. But let's talk about the self-driving cars like this. Yeah, they actually have these sensors and all those stuff. I guess you understand, but still they are not artificial intelligence. Yeah, they are. What I'm trying to say is that they are inbuilt of different artificial intelligence combined together. But after all those artificial intelligence coming together, it can't perform any other task apart from it being self-driven. I guess you understand. So now let's move on to the next type of artificial intelligence. So now the second type of artificial intelligence, which is the artificial general intelligence or the general artificial intelligence. So this is a type of artificial intelligence that is being programmed to perform more than one task. I guess you understand. And also this type of artificial intelligence, they think just like human beings. So let's take it as you have a robot that is able to suggest that, okay, I'm supposed to do this, I'm supposed to do that. I guess you understand. Just like we human beings, how our mind works and all those stuff here. We're able to think by ourselves and also adapt to features and all those stuff, environmental stuff. So I guess you understand. So that's the same thing as this artificial intelligence. They're able to adapt to features, environmental changes and all those stuff. So these are artificial general intelligence. So they have the same intelligence as that of human beings here. So now let's move on to the third type of artificial intelligence. So now the third type of artificial intelligence is super intelligent artificial intelligence. So this type of artificial intelligence, they are machines that their intelligence surpasses that of human beings. I guess you understand. But imagine we staying with machines that are more intelligent than us. I guess you understand. They are able to do things that we cannot think and do. They are able to think critically more than we human beings. I mean, they will be able to develop machines or even weapons that are more powerful than we. I guess you understand. That can think far beyond how we can think. I guess you understand. But imagine we stay with this type of machines and they become more numerous than us. They're actually going to rule us. That's why I made mention about the wild animals being more weaponized and numerous than we the human beings. As they will kill us, that's the same way this artificial intelligence too. They are also going to rule us. These machines, let me say it that way. These machines that are going to develop, that's the same way they are going to rule us. So these are the type of artificial intelligence. So now we are done with the three main types of artificial intelligence, which are the narrow artificial intelligence, the artificial general intelligence, and also the super intelligent artificial intelligence. So now we are moving on to the current state of artificial intelligence we are currently at here. So now the current state we are at is the narrow artificial intelligence. We have the artificial general intelligence and also the super intelligent artificial intelligence. They have not been yet developed. They are still under theory. But you imagine a world whereby we live in machines that behave like human beings. I guess as I mentioned earlier about the world animals being more numerous and weaponized than they're actually going to use us. So that's the same thing as this, the artificial general intelligence and also the super intelligent artificial intelligence. Imagine robots are be able to adapt to environmental changes, emotions, and all those things. I guess you understand. Yeah, let's say you are living with your robot and you get mad at your robot. It can easily kill you. I guess you understand. So these are the risky things about the artificial intelligence. But let's wait to see what's in the future. I hope you have enjoyed and also learned something from the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and share. Thank you very much. See you on my next video.